to the Hamilton Ticats, who haven't won here since 2002. They've lost their last 13 straight games in this city. It's a gorgeous day for the rematch of last week's game between the Ticats and Alouettes. And the kick goes to Perry Floyd at the Montreal 13-yard line. Picked up for the Winnipeg Blue Bombers. Floyd, the speedster, moves ahead and gets out to the 38-yard line. Another play fake to Whitaker. Calvillo wanted to go deep and will now go underneath. Kerry Watkins makes the catch and is forced out of bounds by Marcel Young after a gain of 17 yards and another Montreal first down. Another play fake, and again underneath they go. This time it's Whitaker. Brandon Whitaker's got a first down to the Ticats 16-yard line. Markeith Knowlton on second down. Here comes the blitz. Calvillo goes to the end zone, has a man, touchdown. Brandon London with his first career CFL touchdown catch, and the Alouettes add to their lead. First down, Calvillo steps up. Green's got the catch down to the Hamilton 44-yard line. That's another first down and a pickup of 12. Pitch it back to Whitaker. That almost went awry, but now Whitaker steps up inside the 10-yard line. Another Montreal first down. From the shotgun, Calvillo, Whitaker, touchdown. Brandon Whitaker brings it home, and the Alouettes have a chance to make it a 15-0 lead. Sacks all year. And Calvillo not threatened here. Fires it up to S.J. Green. Green's got room behind Marcel Young. Pushed out of bounds inside the 10-yard line down to the 9. And the Alouettes are moving again after a pickup of 29 yards. Calvillo back down to Watkins. Beats the first man. Touchdown. Slipped out of the arms of Markeith Knowlton. And the Alouettes continue to pull away. Second down, lots of time for Calvillo. Fires, it's complete. London's got it. He's got a first down to the Hamilton 50-yard line. Brandon London last year. Calvillo flushed out of the pocket. Looks over the top. Big battle of Bratton. Tangling with Markeith Knowlton. Flags are down. And this will be pass interference against Markeith Knowlton. Calvillo looks down towards the goal line. The catch is made. And into the end zone, Jamal Richardson, touchdown, Montreal. His 8th TD of the season to lead the league. This is 57 yards. The wind slightly behind him. This is long enough, and it is good. 57 yards for Medlock, so something goes right for the Ticats in the first half. In over the middle, catch is made by Williams. Chris Williams down to the 40-yard line. Diamond Ferry there to make the stop. It's a pickup of 26 yards. First catch of the game for Williams. Lots on it, and it is through. So Medlock has accounted for all the Hamilton scoring. First down, Calvillo sets up the screen to Whitaker. And Whitaker's got room to run across midfield. Down across the 40 to the 36-yard line. Brandon Whitaker on the perfectly executed screen. Tripped up by Marcel Young. The gain is 35. Again, double tight ends for the Alouettes. And they again run the same play to S.J. Green. And it's got the same result down the 11-yard line. And a Montreal first down. Whitaker has room to run. Brandon Whitaker bounces off the tackle, gets down to the 1-yard line as Bo Smith held him just short of the goal line.
That's hard to do.
And the kick goes to Diedrich. Darren Diedrich up and over for the touchdown. There's a flag down. But Darren Diedrich has his 5th touchdown of the year along the ground. The Montreal Alouettes with authority answer last week's loss and record a 43-13 win as the Alouettes have defeated the Ticats for the 14th straight time here in Montreal.